The first error was done in this intersection. The student didn't completely stop on the stop sign, and that was the first warning.
First street, turn right.
The second error was done here. The student got a clear instruction, make a right turn on the traffic light, but the student didn't move to the right lane. As you can see here, the car is in the wrong lane. When the student was planning to make a turn to the right, the car behind was very close, and the biggest mistake here is the student didn't check the blind spot.
See this big car here? At the second traffic light, turn left.
The student was giving a clear instructions. When it's safe, change the lane to the left, but the student was continued to drive straight. Another error was done here. The student was changing the lane on intersection and almost lost control on the car.
Get into the left.
As we know, we cannot change the lanes on intersections, and it's 100 meters before and 100 meters after. You cannot change the lane on intersection. You have to pass the intersection, then you can change the lane, or you're doing this way in advance. As you can see here, the student is very nervous. She was giving instructions. First traffic light, make a left turn. She didn't pay attention. And also, as you can see, the speed limit is 50, but she went over the speed limit, and that was causing almost to miss the turn on the traffic light. As you can see why the student failed the test. There was too many errors, and also the student was very nervous, and that's causing more mistakes than normal. If you would like to watch full video, join me on my Patreon. My VIP members will have access to all the videos.